Good evening. I'm going to help this evening with a couple of problems from section 3.9 on differentials. So we'll see if we can get a couple of these handled rather quickly, get you jump started on your homework. So I'm going to start with problem number 16. Problem 16. We're asked to find the differential dy and evaluate dy for the given values of x and dx. So this is a straightforward use the formula find dy, plug in x and dx kind of problem. Problem 16 says y equals 1 over x plus 1, and our values are x equals 1 and dx equals negative 0.01. So I've written that down here on my paper, and we'll go ahead and get started. Now the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to rewrite y as the quantity x plus 1 to the minus 1. We now know the chain rule. I don't have to use the quotient rule to do that problem. I can just find the derivative with the chain rule. Now remember from class we were told that dy is equal to f prime of x times dx. All right, this is our formula. dy equals f prime of x dx. So I have to find f prime of x. I've been given dx, it's minus 0.01, so that's just a number I'm going to plug in. So what's left for me to do here on problem 16 is to find f prime of x and plug in x is 1. So I'll find the derivative. All right, the derivative is going to be y prime. Using the chain rule, that's going to be negative 1, x plus 1 to the negative 2 times the derivative of what's inside, which turns out to be 1. Now that's y prime. So that works out to be minus x plus 1 to the negative 2. And we can call that y prime, we can call it f prime, so I'll call it f prime of x. Now I've been told x is 1, so I'm going to plug 1 into f prime of x. That gives me f prime of 1 equals minus 1 plus 1 to the negative 2. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 to the negative 2 is negative 1/4. So here's our work. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 squared is 4. You have the negative exponent there. That gets us the 4 on the bottom. And we have the minus sign in front, so we get negative 1/4. Now, that's f prime of 1. We're going to go back over here then to dy, and we're going to say dy equals f prime of 1, the value we just found, times dx. Substituting in the two values we have minus 1/4, which is minus 0.25. We have dx, which is minus 0.01. And when we multiply those two things out, we can get dy. In this case, dy equals positive 0.0025. So for problem 16, it's just a mechanical exercise. We're going to find dy using the formula that was given, and then we're going to find the value of dy at x equals 1 when dx is negative 0.01. All right, I hope that helps you get started on problems 15, 16, 17, 18. I'm going to post another short video here just in a few minutes dealing with one of the other problems from the homework. All right, so I'll be right back with you. Hopefully this gets you started on tonight's homework.